Water, in the form of rain, rivers, glaciers, and sea, dominates every facet of life in Southeast Alaska. Water sculpted the topography, influenced the history, and shapes the environment today. Water binds communities together and isolates them from the world outside. And water created the rainforest called Tongass.
To me, the essence of Southeast Alaska is lushness, a land that's covered with an incredible richness and diversity of plant life, especially. The essence of Southeast Alaska, too, is rain. Without the rain, we don't have the lushness.
This lushness comes from year-round moisture. More than 100 inches of precipitation falls annually over much of this land. In winter, it accumulates as snow. Enough gathers in the mountains to fuel more than 50 major glaciers. Because it receives more rain than the plants actually need, the Tongass is defined as a rainforest. The largest rainforests are in the tropics and occupy 3%.